In this video, I'll show you how you can buy an arcade in GTA 5 Online. Now all you have to do is bring up your map, and then on the map navigate to this location whereby you should see the Leicester crest with the H here, and then simply go to that location and interact with it. And then from here you should see visit Maze Bank and view and purchase an arcade. So all you have to do is bring up your phone by pressing the up button on the D-pad on your controller, and then select internet at the bottom. And then from here, navigate to Maze Bank. Here it is, select it, and then enter site, and then choose arcades from this list. And then find the arcade that you'd like to buy. So there are a couple of arcades on the map. So let me just select it again, and here they are. So these ones are the arcade. So find the one that you want to buy and select it. And then if you have enough finances, simply click on buy, and then customize it to suit your needs. If you want to add a garage, if you want to add any extras that might be available, if you want to add neon art and all those kind of things. Now, once you're done, simply select buy, and you'll successfully purchase your arcade. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.